What's up guys? Today I'm putting a hook, the ball, and a reverse camera over here. I'm trying to put it over here, but it's blocking the month and the year. So I'm putting it down here. And I'll put the bracket over here. And then I'll put it down here. So this one, the hook, the ball, it's not mine, it's my friend. So I got a new one. It's almost the same kind of. And the new one's this and the old. So I'll put this guy over here. Secured. So for the camera, I think there's a wire under here. If that one's not working, I'll put in this new one. And then black and red one. The black one goes to negative ground, and then this one goes to reverse light. Enjoy the video and like and subscribe. Hello guys, today we're putting the reverse camera over here. I'm putting a bracket down here, two left and right, and then I'm replacing oil change for my Subaru BRZ. So I'm running the engine for now. So now it's almost 10 minutes. So I'm shutting off the engine. So I'm using the filter Mobile 1. Here's the number I'm using, M1-104A. Same over here, the old one. The oil's 0W20. Oh, here are my oils, Amazon 020. This part to take maybe 5.5. So I'm making the bracket for the rear camera. I did one over here. So I need to grind this hole. Number 2. Okay. Then I'll drill a hole. Now I'll paint it black. Everything's cleaned up, so I'm putting the filter, and I put oil over here on the O-ring. I'll put it. If you take the oil change, there will be too much oil, so I clean that. Okay, so I need to take the car from the stand. Then I'll fill the oil. So I'm using this to fill up the oil. I believe this one works. This for several funnel. So I'm waiting to dry the brackets. So the oil's coming over down here. A little bit. So if you see different way, this way is kind of full, this way is not, so you need to fill it out at this point. Now it's almost there. So I think it's 5.5. More thick. So I'm waiting for that bracket dry. When I put it on the side, I need to flip it and paint it more again. I just start the engine and then I need more oil. If I don't check it before. So it's not 5.5, it'll be 6 maybe. So now the filter have oil. But time to time, you need to check oil. Otherwise, they burn too much oil. Sugars. At least. Painted. It's kind of dry. Not dry perfectly. It's all mounted right now. It's better to mount it. Like this, full side. Put the license plate back. Perfect. Check on it. This wire so now I'll take it just tail light and then I'll search which one the reverse the light. I think it's down here. So it's 8mm. I'll bring the whole thing. Wires under there. I think someone tried to put a camera back. As you can see, this wire I don't need it. It is under the car. The yellow one there is, but it is too short, I think. If you reach, I don't know, you see. Okay, I can't take this one inside. Oh, so under the car, there's someone put wires, so now I'm going inside the car, if it works or not. Moment of truth. Let's see. I don't think I need to start the car. It's not turning on. Let me go to there. The reverse lights on. It's on, everything's on, but it's not on over there. So to be work, you need to press the button, otherwise it doesn't work all the time. So I need to bring it down. I need to bend the brackets to bring it down. Do it down more, or I can bend it. Maybe if I bend the bracket, you can see more down here. Or let me try to bend it by hand. Oh, the reverse light, I want to change to LED light. Oh, to do that, it's too hard to take it off, so like that. I need some tool. For the wires, easy to do it. Just put it on reverse light. You need tool test light. Which one the reverse light is? Let me take the whole thing twice, man. I'll be back. I was bent. I believe you can see more down around here. I'll be inside the car. Check it again. Yep. So I bend it more. Now I can see more everything. I'll put tape on the wires, and then I can show you how you can do it if you want to. So this one goes on the ground. This one goes on the reverse light. We already have on the car, so I don't need both of them. This one goes on the yellow on the camera, and this one goes inside the car on the tape. Yeah, and then I don't think you need these wires. I don't know why they gave you more power. I don't think you need it, but this wire doesn't have it, so I don't need it too. So I'll go in under the car and show you. So if you can see, the red one goes on the black, that one's the reverse light and the ground, and then this one's the video, go on the radio. If you can see, there is no any more power over here, so I'll put a tape around here and here too to stick, and then I'll put a zip tie or secure, but I don't like how this one over here, but no matter for now. Yep. Okay, so I'll tape it, and then yep, I finished. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. So to check the reverse light, which one it is this one's test light. You put it on ground, and then check which one is the reverse light.